Using scheduling for reminders or recording. Event timers allow you to generate reminders on your receiver to tune in or record a future program. You can create a specific timer for a future program with start and stop times. You may access the options in several ways. While viewing a show, use the down arrow button to display program info, then use the right arrow button to select a future program. Once the program is selected, press OK. After pressing OK, you can view options for Schedule Event, Record Program, Record Series, Set Reminder, Set Auto Tune, Expanded Info, or Cancel. To schedule through the guide, press the Guide button, then use the arrow buttons to select a future program and press OK. Now, use the arrow buttons to navigate to Scheduled Event and press OK. You are now able to view the options Schedule Event, Record Program, Set Reminder, Set Auto Tune, Expanded Info, or Cancel. For scheduling events through the event timer, press the Guide button. Use the arrow buttons to select a future program. Once selected, press OK. Now, use the arrow buttons to scroll to Schedule Event and press OK. Use the arrow buttons to highlight a field and press OK. After pressing OK on the field you want to change, use the left and right arrow buttons to change the type from recording to reminder or auto tune. Use the arrow buttons to shift from one field to the next and make more changes. Once you are through scheduling an event, use the arrow buttons to scroll down to OK and press the OK button. Your event has now been set to do the tasks you programmed. Record tunes the receiver to the program when it begins and starts recording the program. Auto-tune reminds you that a program is about to start and tunes the receiver to the program when it begins. Reminder tells you that a program is about to start. Single means a one-time event. M through F indicates that an event is scheduled for weekdays on the same channel at the same time each day. Every day is for events scheduled all week on the same channel at the same time. Weekly means an event scheduled once a week on the same channel on the same time and day. To edit a scheduled event, you may edit through the guide or the menu. To edit through the guide, press Guide, then use the arrow buttons to find the program with the reminder auto-tune event and press OK. From there, use the arrow buttons to select Edit Recording, Cancel Recording, Set Reminder, Set Auto Tune, Expanded Info, or Cancel. Once you've selected your action, press OK. Now you can edit your event. To edit through the menu, press Menu and use the arrow buttons to select Vault and press OK. Now use the arrow buttons to shift down to Reminders. Use the right arrow button to scroll over to the reminder you want to edit and press OK. After pressing OK, you will be asked to cancel reminder or to cancel. Once you have selected your action, press OK and your reminder has been edited. To edit a scheduled recording, press Menu and use the arrow buttons to select PVR and press OK. Use the arrow buttons to shift down and find To Record, then press OK. With the arrow buttons, navigate to highlight the recording to be edited and press OK. Now use the arrow buttons to select Edit Recording, Cancel Recording, or Cancel. Once you have selected your action, press OK. Your recording has been edited. If you are currently viewing your recording and would like to edit it, you can also access the action window by pressing the arrow buttons and pressing OK. Overlapping event timers. If you try to create event timers for overlapping programs, the receiver will prompt you to delete or edit one of the timers. Maximum number of event timers. The receiver is only able to create a certain amount of event timers. Once you have reached this limit, you must edit or delete a timer to create a new one. Power off. If the receiver power is off at the time of a reminder or auto-tune event, the receiver will not turn on. If the receiver is off during a scheduled recording, the program will record on the PVR.